You might wonder what makes Pani Puri Plus so special. How does it attract visitors and keep them coming back for more? The secret lies in our focus on user experience design. Every visitor should have an enjoyable experience, no matter the device they are using. With responsive design, the layout and elements will automatically adjust to fit the screen size. If you have a passion, in this tutorial you will learn HTML, CSS to create a user-centric website using 10 essential techniques. Viewport unit, flexbox layout, background image, background gradient, blur and opacity, button styling, positioning and overlay, image display, transition and animation, hidden elements. So let's start attracting visitors one byte at a time. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. The HTML page features full screen background with captivating header, a call to action button for ordering, and centered image with animated message. As you immerse yourself in the world of Pani Puri Plus, our delightful surprises won't end up with your order. After you have placed your order, our truck will pop up thanking you for your patronage. And guess what? We invite you to subscribe for exciting updates. When the Order Now button is clicked, the JavaScript code creates an engaging user experience by displaying an overlay, centered image, and animated text. The animation of the truck element adds the dynamic touch to the user interaction. So let's write the CSS code. Viewport units such as VH, the height 100 VH property ensures that the full screen background section takes up the entire viewport height, creating an immersive full screen experience. Flex blocks layout. Using the display flex and flex direction column on full screen background, the content inside is vertically aligned, and justify content creates space between the header and the content section. Background image. The background image property sets the background image for full screen background, and background size cover ensures it covers the entire container. Background position centers the image. Text gradient. The full screen background H1 uses a gradient background with background linear gradient to bottom. RGBA 000 0.8 transparent to create an eye-catching overlay effect. Blur and opacity. The content container uses backdrop filter blur 10 pixels to apply a subtle blur effect on the background, emphasizing readability. On hover, the background is increased to blur 20 pixels with backdrop filter. Button styling. The Order Now button has various styles such as padding, font size, background color, and border radius to create an appealing and clickable click to action button. On hover, the background color changes smoothly. Positioning and overlay. The overlay and centered image elements use position fixed to cover the entire screen. The overlay creates a dark transparent layer, and centered image positions content at the center used for image display. Next, image display. Centered image has styles to make sure it scales center itself properly using max width and max height, object fit and transform. Transition and animation. The image inside centered image has transitions to create smooth movements and fade in effects with transition properties. Hidden elements. Display none is used to initially hide the overlay, and centered image and animated text is also initially hidden. These elements will be displayed later using JavaScript for dynamic user experience. Congratulations on completing the tutorial. You have mastered essential HTML and CSS techniques to create an irresistible website for Pani Puri Plus. Now, armed with these skills, you can create captivating online experiences and leave the users craving for more. Keep experimenting, exploring, and building fantastic web projects. Thanks for watching this video.